Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to MGB Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 vintage vehicles available for sale across North America for under $15,000. Why $15,000? I want to showcase running vehicles that the average person like myself can afford and enjoy. Some may need minor work such as brakes or a carb tune-up to be roadworthy, but these vehicles are pretty much ready to go. There may be blemishes, but you know what? That's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, enough jabbering. Let's get on with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, we're going to start off with a 1935 Plymouth PJ Businessman Coupe, listed for $10,000 US in Dearborn, Michigan. It has an automatic transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, this car is a 350 Chevy Turbo 350 Trans, 8 3/4 rear axle. Comes with steel fenders, hood, engine, side covers not in pictures. Car runs but has been sitting. Brake work has been done, drives and shifts. No trades, $10,000 or best offer. Here we have a 1965 Ford Mustang, listed for $13,000 US in Mobile, Alabama. It's been driven 90,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1965 Mustang Coupe, 289 V8 with automatic transmission. Car runs and drives great. It's in primer black, ready for buyer's paint choice or keep it as is. No rips in the headliner, no mechanical issues, 4-barrel carburetor, all windows work, all tires good, all lights work, no rust. Clean title in hand. Can arrange shipping at buyer's expense. Alright, anybody looking for a hot rodded 1975 Porsche? Here we have a 1975 Porsche 914 Targa, listed for $14,700 US in Dalton, Georgia. It's been driven 100,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1975 Porsche 914 has a 350 Chevy V8 motor and brand new custom interior. This car needs nothing and is unique. And here we have a 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS convertible, listed for $14,000 US in Long Beach, California. From the seller's description, 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS convertible, 69,000 miles. I always kept it in garage, no rust, no dents, no accidents. Clean title without any liens or encumbrances. Excellent condition. It is a non-smoker car. It was just serviced, new tires, tags are up to date. Alright, a little while back I had someone asking about Thunderbirds available in Canada. I found this 1961 Ford Thunderbird listed for $14,995 in Regina, Saskatchewan. It's been driven 149,000 kilometers and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, fantastic condition with all original parts. 390 V8 engine with a 3-speed cruise-o-matic tranny. Runs great, looks great. Would consider trades and cash my way for cars or half-ton trucks. No rust buckets and must run drive good. Alright, do we have any Army fans out there? Here we have a 1948 Willis Jeep, listed for $13,000 in Roseburg, Oregon. It has a manual transmission, clean title. This vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, needs some body work, runs and looks good. Has a few oil leaks, not bad for its age. And here we have a pretty sleek looking 1979 Chevrolet El Camino, listed for $12,000 US in Port Orange, Florida. It's been driven 95,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. Clean title, this vehicle has no significant damage or problems. From the seller's description, 79 El Camino in good condition, motor and trans have been redone. Body in good condition, interior is clean. Alright, from the pictures, this looks to be a pretty nice example of a 1960 Austin Healey Sprite, listed for $14,000 US in Cumming, Georgia. From the seller's description, 1960 convertible, new brakes and rotors, carpet, vinyl panels. Love the car, but also have another one. Okay, we're going to stay with the little British cars for a minute here. Here we have a 1980 MGB Roadster, listed for $9,000 Canadian in Aurora, Ontario. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, this car has never seen winter, very clean underneath, has stainless header exhaust right through. Could use new top, runs great, road ready to enjoy. And last but not least, we have what I think is a pretty nice example of a 50s style hot rod. 1923 Ford T-Bucket, listed for $8,500 in Calhoun, Georgia. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 23 Ford Model T-Bucket, runs and drives good, disc brake, fresh 350 with cam, TH 350 with 2500 stall, new wheels and tires, drive anywhere. For sale or trade, can add cash. Alright, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons so you'll be notified when future videos go live. This series of videos go live on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday at 2:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I also post videos for project cars that I call Friday Fix 'em Up, which go live every Friday at 2:00 Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to support the channel, please consider a channel membership. You can click the join button below or the link in the channel description, and you'll have access to extra perks, including early access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.